Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Nestled amid the stunning Alberta landscape, Kitscoty's history is a tapestry woven with tales of pioneers and progress. Back in the early 1900s, intrepid settlers forged their path here, establishing a close-knit community that has thrived for over a century. Kitscoty's heritage as a trading hub made it a bustling center with goods and stories flowing between the north as far as Cold Lake and the serene southern reaches along the Battle River. The town's name plays homage to a curious connection across the Atlantic. It harks back to Kitscoty House in England, a place with its own rich history where a trio of colossal stones stands in a mystic tripod formation. Kitscoty isn't just a place, it's a living testament to the spirit of exploration and the enduring bonds of its community. Whether you're a history buff or simply a lover of picturesque landscapes, this little gem in Alberta has much to offer. Now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you're interested. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with friends or family who might find it enjoyable. And you can also follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you'd like. But until next week, bye-bye.